Imagine a world where the precision of professional chefs is at your fingertips. Enter the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0, a groundbreaking kitchen marvel that has turned this dream into reality. This sleek and modern gadget, crafted from high-quality materials, is not only a sight for sore eyes, but is also built to last. It boasts a waterproof design that ensures durability, while also making the cleanup process a breeze. Just a quick rinse under running water, and it's as good as new. When it comes to performance, this sous vide cooker is second to none. Its digital display ensures pinpoint accuracy, allowing you to cook your meals to perfection every time. The powerful 1,000-watt heating element reduces cooking time, and with a temperature range from freezing to boiling, the culinary possibilities are endless. But the standout feature of the Anova Precision Cooker 2.0 is undoubtedly its Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to control the cooker remotely through the Anova Culinary app, meaning you can adjust cooking temperatures and times from the palm of your hand wherever you are. The app also serves as a treasure trove of sous vide recipes and cooking guides, making it an indispensable tool for both novices and seasoned chefs. And don't be intimidated by its high-tech features. This cooker is incredibly user-friendly. Its intuitive controls and simple interface make it a breeze to navigate. Plus, the included clamp ensures a secure cooking environment by attaching the device firmly to any pot. In a nutshell, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0 is a game changer. Its blend of precision, convenience, and connectivity, coupled with its user-friendly design and durability, make it the ultimate kitchen companion. With this device, you're not just cooking, you're crafting restaurant-quality meals right in the comfort of your own home. So prepare to impress at your next dinner party, because with the Anova Precision Cooker 2.0, every meal is a masterpiece.